YouTube SEO, channel growth के लिए guide your channel name. What's up everybody, it's your boy, MR Monu. Are you ready to blow up on YouTube? We're talking millions of views, thousands of subscribers, the whole 9 yards. Today, we're diving into the world of YouTube SEO. That's right. The secret sauce to getting your videos seen by everyone and their grandma. We're going to break down all the crazy important stuff like keyword research, optimizing titles and descriptions, and even how to keep people glued to the screen. If you want to boost your channel's visibility and grow your audience, you gotta stick around for this one. Let's do searching the best keywords for your content. Views, but it won't keep people coming back for more. Algorithm can understand your content and recommend it to the right people. Chapter 4. Tags and Categories. Organizing your content for success. Tags and categories are like the GPS coordinates that tell YouTube exactly where your video belongs on the platform. Use a mix of broad and specific tags that accurately reflect your content. The more relevant tags you use, the easier it will be for people to find your video when they're searching for specific topics. And don't forget to choose the most appropriate category for your video. The more engaged your audience is, the higher your video will rank and the more people it will reach. Outro. Now go forth and conquer YouTube. Alright my YouTube heroes, you've made it to the end. Now you're armed with the knowledge to dominate YouTube SEO. Get out there and start creating some epic content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future videos. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next.